TwinCAT software from Backoff can be used to access VLC-ETC's acyclic and cyclic objects for configuration purposes and basic motion testing. The specific TwinCAT software required for that purpose is TwinCAT 3 Engineering, which is downloadable for free from Backoff Automation's website. Once TwinCAT is downloaded and installed in your PC, copy and paste the VLC-ETC ESI file, which can be obtained from SMAC website, into this directory, which is a part of a typical TwinCAT installation directory. Next, make sure that the VLC-ETC is powered on and connected to the PC through an Ethernet cable. Now, let us open TwinCAT and start a new TwinCAT project. The next step is to install the Ethernet adapter. This can be done in TwinCAT development environment by selecting TwinCAT and then click on Show Real-Time Ethernet Compatible Devices. Make sure that the Ethernet adapter is installed. Note that this procedure only needs to be done once after TwinCAT is installed in the PC. Now, on the left pane of TwinCAT development environment, click on I/O and then select Devices. Right-click on it and then click on Add New Item. Select EtherCAT Master, click OK, and then select the Ethernet adapter that was installed. Now, Device 1 EtherCAT appears. The next step is to click on it, right-click on it, and then click on Scan. It can be seen now the VLC-ETC is now detected under Device 1, and the SMAC icon can also be seen. At the same time, it can also be observed that the EtherCAT run LED is now blinking. Now, double-click on VLC-ETC and select on the COE Online tab. Here we have a table of acyclic objects such as firmware or software version, as well as servo objects such as PID settings that can be configured based on a given actuator. Here at the bottom, there are cyclic objects that are updated periodically. The objects with yellow icons are inputs from VLC-ETC into TwinCAT, while objects with red icons are outputs from TwinCAT into VLC-ETC. To enable the cyclic objects data update, activate the free run state of VLC-ETC by clicking on this icon. And then click on Yes. It can now also be observed that the EtherCAT run LED is turned on continuously. In the cyclic objects list, it can also now be seen that the current actual value is updating, and this is caused due to measurement noise. Also, the position actual value can be seen changing as we manually move the actuator shaft by hand. If none of those cyclic objects are updating after the free run state is activated, please check if the VLC-ETC system macros are in place.